Hi guys, Tatiana is here. I'm a bass player, but I do play a guitar occasionally, and today I'm reviewing this capo for a 6-string guitar. I've met people who believe that capos are only for those who aren't good enough at playing the guitar. I strongly disagree with it. I know how to play bar chords and I can transpose music relatively quickly, but the capo still makes my life easier, so why not use it? Also, I saw many professional level guitar players using capos, so don't hesitate. If you play the guitar, you might need a capo at least sometimes. A good capo is safe for your instrument. It has protective pads, it will make no scratches, and it will hold stably on the neck. My capo has a little hook here, which is easy to lock and unlock. The capo effectively becomes a new nut. It makes strings shorter and they sound higher. You don't have to change your fingering or think about bar chords. You just lift them all up. For example, if I have a song which is too low for me or another vocalist to sing, I just lift it up as much as I want. A semitone or a tone or even higher. Dum dum da 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 dum. It's too low for my voice. And now with the capo, one tone up. Dum dum da 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 dum. Much easier to sing. So first, you tune your guitar before putting a capo on. Then you use your capo and you place it just behind the fret, not in the middle of the fret space, but just behind. And you make sure that it's quite vertical. You apply enough pressure to hold the strings, but not excessive pressure. You use this screw for this. And you're done. What I like about this particular capo is that it's gentle to my guitar. It has an adjustable tension screw with precise tension adjustment. It provides even pressure across all strings and gives me a bass-free sound. Also, if your nut is slightly too high, you need to make a really good effort pressing the strings close to the nut, and this is not good for your fingers. But it's also not good for the strings because they need to stretch a little bit too much and they even might become a bit out of tune. The capo helps adjust it. It's easy to press the strings right after the capo. If you are interested in this beautiful one, you can find it by the link in the description and keep your music flow.